When it comes to enhancing the value of your home in Fort Worth, Texas, there are plenty of avenues to explore. From upgrading your kitchen to revamping your landscaping, the possibilities are seemingly endless. However, one often overlooked home improvement project that can have a significant impact on your property's value is the installation of high-quality windows. Investing in premium windows not only elevates your home's aesthetics but also improves its energy efficiency, security, and overall appeal. Here's why upgrading your windows is a smart move for Fort Worth homeowners. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your home's windows play a crucial role in how potential buyers perceive your property. Quality windows can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal. Modern windows with sleek designs, attractive trims, and energy-efficient glass make your home look well-maintained and stylish. Whether it's a contemporary or classic style, high-quality windows can transform your property and make it more inviting from the street. This added curb appeal is often enough to sway buyers in Fort Worth's competitive real estate market. Energy efficiency and cost savings. Fort Worth experiences hot summers and chilly winters, making energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Replacing old, drafty windows with energy-efficient ones helps to stabilize indoor temperatures, reduce the strain on your HVAC system, and lower your energy bills. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced technologies such as low emissivity coatings, insulated frames, and double or triple pane glass, all of which work together to keep indoor temperatures comfortable. These savings on utility costs are not just beneficial for you, but they also serve as a major selling point when you put your home on the market. Buyers appreciate the long-term cost savings associated with energy-efficient windows, making your property more attractive. Improved comfort and noise reduction. High-quality windows are designed to reduce outdoor noise, a particularly valuable feature if you live near busy streets or bustling neighborhoods in Fort Worth. Double and triple pane windows, often filled with argon or krypton gas, provide superior soundproofing compared to single-pane windows. This means you and potential buyers can enjoy a quieter, more serene living environment. In addition, these windows eliminate drafts, reducing cold or hot spots throughout the house. The consistent indoor climate they provide ensures a more comfortable home, which is a highly desirable feature for families and individuals alike. Increased home security. Old, worn-out windows can pose a security risk. Modern windows offer enhanced safety features such as tempered or laminated glass, multi-point locking systems, and reinforced frames. These upgrades deter potential break-ins and provide peace of mind to both you and future buyers. Fort Worth residents understand the importance of home security, and investing in windows with built-in security features is a smart way to add value to your property. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Premium windows are designed to withstand the elements and require minimal maintenance. Advanced materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite ensure that windows are resistant to warping, rotting, or peeling, even under Fort Worth's intense sun and occasional storms. This longevity translates to fewer repairs and replacements, giving buyers one more reason to choose your home over others. High return on investment, ROI. One of the best reasons to upgrade your windows is the high return on investment, ROI, it provides. According to industry experts, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their window replacement costs upon selling. By boosting your home's market value and improving energy efficiency, high-quality windows deliver exceptional returns that make them one of the best home improvement projects you can undertake. Choosing the right windows for your Fort Worth home. When upgrading your windows, it's crucial to consider local climate, architectural style, and your specific needs. Work with reputable window installers who understand Fort Worth's unique environment and can recommend products that maximize your home's appeal, security, and efficiency. The right windows can make all the difference in your comfort and financial future. Conclusion: upgrading to high-quality windows is more than a cosmetic enhancement. It's a strategic investment that boosts your home's value in Fort Worth. From increasing curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing security and comfort, premium windows offer a host of benefits that make your home stand out in today's market. By investing in quality windows, you can enjoy a more beautiful, comfortable home now and a higher resale value when it's time to sell.